Hey guys, how you doing today? So I got this 2009 Volvo D13 engine ready to go. If anybody interested, let me know. We just painted it a little bit to make it look better a little bit. We checked the main bearings, everything is good. It's a 2009, it has about like 600,000 miles on it. If anybody interested, it came out of a wrecked Volvo truck. Anybody interested, let me know. It's a D13 engine. Got the serial number right here. Let me know if anybody interested. I'll post my phone number. You can find it on my my Facebook business page at Naomi's Truck Parts and Service. Thank you for watching, guys.